What's up, class of 2021 and parents of the class of 2021? Mr. Benham here, and I just wanted to do a quick hello because a lot of people don't know who I am. But I'm Mr. Benham, and I take care of the class of 2021 in terms of fundraisers, prom, and a few other things. Graduation is not me, but I definitely help Miss Arnold out with it. So if you ever have questions about graduation, I can try to help you with it or just guide you to her so she can better answer your question. But I just wanted to come say hello, introduce myself, put a face to a name because I will be sending out reminds right now. I've recently been sending out reminds about the Boston Butt Fundraiser, and I really need parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, students, whoever is selling these, to sell because I am unable to conduct the normal fundraisers that I would like to just because of COVID-19. We can't have large gatherings here at the school, so a lot of money came in through doing those types of fundraisers. So please try to sell as many Boston Butts as you can. We only have this week to do so. I actually need my numbers. I need your numbers by next Sunday at the latest because our vendor has to put in the order on Monday, Labor Day. So if you can sell as much as you can this week, students, make sure you get your money to me. I'm located on the G Hall at the middle school, so try to get your money to me ASAP. If you can't get it to me, leave it with Ms. Glaze in the front office and I can go get it, or she'll get it to me in some kind of way. But I need you guys to sell. Also, along with this video, I believe there should have been a newsletter that was pushed out to the class of 2021 and parents. I try to make one of these every 2 months or 3 months whenever I know there's an abundance of information needing to be pushed out to our seniors. I try to put together a newsletter just so it's all in one place and parents can look at it all in one place. But that's not the only place we send out information. Please make sure on this newsletter I have also given you the code to join the class of 2021 Remind group. Myself and Ms. Arnold push out reminds all the time from that group, Remind group. So please make sure you join it. It should be at Stingers21, and you text that to 81010 and you're in there. Also, please make sure that you are students, you are checking your emails. Make sure you're checking the school's website. Make sure you're checking our social media accounts. We are pushing out information all the time, and oftentimes we get parents and students that say, well, I didn't know so-and-so and I didn't know X, Y, and Z. And the first thing I'll usually ask is, well, are you on our Remind group? And a lot of times people say, I didn't know we had one. Join the Remind group. It will do you some good, okay? But if you ever need me for anything, questions about fundraisers, we do have the Sucker fundraiser coming up during homecoming week. That's usually that's a big money maker for us. Also, the Boston Butt fundraiser is very, very good for us also. So please, again, sell some more. But if you have any questions about anything, also we may be doing some more of the Pura Vida spirit bracelets. Haven't quite decided on that yet. But if you have any questions for me, please feel free to email me at benhams@calhounschools.org or benhams@ccsjackets.org. Either one, I'll reply from both of them. That's the quickest way to get a response from me. And I'll try to get back to you and I'll try to answer your questions as best possible. That's all I've got. Here's a face to the name. Seniors, I hope you have the best year possible. Trust me, Dr. Kuhn, Ms. Arnold, your teachers, your parents are trying to, figure out the best ways to make sure you have the best senior year possible. So just bear with us. All right. You guys have a great one. Again, if you got questions, just email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right. See you guys.